Today is the International Day of Awesomeness. This day gives us the opportunity to celebrate every person, place, thing, or idea in the world that is awesome. I encourage all of the participants in my workshop to look for the awesome. As the official tagline points out, no one's perfect, but everyone can be awesome. So here are today's hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating International Day of Awesomeness. Today is the day to both perform and celebrate feats of awesomeness. Celebrate by posting about someone who epitomizes the ideals of awesomeness. It may be a family member, friend, or a colleague who receives this special recognition. Be curious. Start a conversation with someone that you see every day but have not talked to. You may be surprised by their story or the things that you have in common. It will brighten their day and yours. Build an awesome workplace one smile at a time. Explore the what if. What if we didn't do blank anymore? What if we changed blank? What if we started blank? See where the answer takes you. This simple exploration could improve your relationships or your workplace. Wishing you an awesome day. Until tomorrow.